Trenchtown, Kingston, Jamaica, birthplace of reggae, with David Dusty Cupples, author of Stir It Up, the CIA Targets Jamaica, Bob Marley, and the Progressive Manley Government. A novel of history, music, roots, and culture, highly praised by top reggae historian Roger Steffens. In 2017, I was invited to give the Bob Marley lecture at the annual Global Reggae Conference in Kingston. I settled on a topic, 1976. Bob Marley is the most important person in the world. An updated video of my talk is on YouTube, as well as a short promotional video for the book. Links in description section below. I packed my bags and hopped a jet plane to Montego Bay, made my way to Kingston, and gave my talk. I visited Trenchtown as well as the Bob Marley Museum in 2008 when I was doing my research for Stir It Up, including interviewing former First Lady Beverly Manley. But I wasn't going to come to Kingston and not stop by again. The Bob Marley Museum at 56 Hope Road in Uptown Kingston had been Bob's home after about 1973, but Bob was born a country boy at 9 Mile in the hills of St. Anne, the parish of Marcus Garvey and Burning Spear. He came with his mother to East Kingston at age 11 or 12, soon moving to West Kingston and, famously, Trenchtown. Tiny Trenchtown, not even a half square mile, was a seething cauldron of talent and creativity. I don't know if there's ever been anything quite like it. One thinks of the Harlem Renaissance, even the Italian Renaissance in 15th century Florence under the Medici. Lovers rock, ska, rock steady, black consciousness, African roots, Marcus Garvey, Rasta, reggae, it was all here. Taxi man Billy Diamond picked me up at my Airbnb in Barbican, and off we went to Trenchtown. The place got its name not from the trenches running through, but from the first foreign proprietor of the land, Joseph Trench. Soon after arriving in Kingston, young Bob and his mother moved to 2nd Street in Trenchtown. For me and most visitors, the logical starting point is Culture Yard on 1st Street, a National Heritage Site. Bob stayed here after his mother went to the U.S. to work. A hardship for a youth, but often it seems the only choice. As Don Carlos sings, living in the ghetto ain't easy. Here in this government yard, Tata Vincent Ford let Bob sleep in his kitchen and tutored him in music, as did Joe Higgs and no doubt others, Bob soaking it up into his incredibly fertile mind. It was here Georgie lit the firelight, a real person, not just a song lyric. Bob's first vehicle, a VW microbus. This gentleman reads prophecy in bones and tree trunks. This young woman was said to be, I think it was, the granddaughter of Mortimer Plano, Bob's spiritual teacher. This young man in blue is Dave McAnuff, son of Winston McAnuff. I signed on to a tour, and my guide, Natural, walked me to Bob's mother's place on 2nd Street. Bob's best childhood friend, Bunny, who would come to be known as Bunny Whaler, lived here too, in a separate unit sharing this central courtyard, just like in the Culture Yard. Bunny and his father also came to Kingston from 9 Mile. Bob and Bunny would share a sister, Pearl, from the union of Bunny's father and Bob's mother. I didn't find out who any of these people are, but they were friendly and welcoming. On to 3rd Street. Take it away, Natural.
The culture yard, but this side, brew it down. As you can see, it gets out and brew it down. So you see, it's the veranda you're looking at. The house is gone.
We're moving from 2nd to 3rd.
Yeah, so we are at 2nd Street, so we are going to 3rd.
Okay. And we just left Bob's first place in Trenchtown, 1956.
So you see, this is 2 kitchens what the 8 families share. But people live in the kitchen now. No one cooking in the kitchen. The kitchen becomes a house.
Yeah.
So you see, you're at the back of the yard at 2nd Street. Now the wall part the street.
Yeah.
So when you go by there, you're at 3rd Street.
Alrighty.
So you're now at the back of the yard at 3rd Street.
Yes.
So this is the yard where Joe Higgs used to live in his time.
Yes.
Burn hallelujah, my black sister. And then go God. So you see, it's just like in the culture yard where you were.
Yeah.
The veranda becomes a room, out here becomes another room, or a toilet, or a kitchen.
Where was it that Georgie made the fire log?
It's the culture yard.
Culture yard,
Yes,
okay.
That's where Bob get one of the kitchen to live in.
Yeah.
So you will get that tour when you go around there. That is tour 1.
Yeah.
You are now on tour 3.
Yeah.
You are ready to tour 2?
Right.
Now we are going to tour 3. We are doing tour 3 now.
Alrighty.
Welcome! Burn Savior. Burn the devil. Say here about Lord Thomas Alton Ellis. You hear of Alton Ellis?
Oh yeah, I like him a lot.
He used to live at 4th Street. We're going to pass his home also.
Breaking up is hard to do.
Yeah. And we have a young artist live here by the name of Potential Kid. Here is his home.
Cool.
Potential Kid, he sing a song, you're so nice, you know, it's go worldwide.
Cool. I don't know the name yet.
Chucky Lardner, that's his mother.
Yes.
Eating dumpling. Chicken. He's got them out.
Hi.
Oh, down on the road. So that's his mother. Potential Kid.
Cool. Best wishes to you, hon. Hi, little one.
Sister.
Sister. Bye-bye, honey. See you next year.
So we're now on the street of 3rd Street.
Yes, 3rd Street.
Outside is 3rd Street. Walk from Egypt.
What kind of tree is that, you know?
Guinea.
Oh, that's Guinea.
Yeah, Guinea.
And they're not in season
You
yet.
can go in and meet Paddle. It's a craft shop.
Okay.
So probably you can see something you like.
Greetings.
Blessed, give thanks.
You're selling some things?
Yes, I have a lot of craft here, a lot of things.
Yeah.
I can show you a couple things you need.
Okay.
You got gift and things like that. Yeah, this is a high grade. Building a split.
Uh-huh.
Give me Eddie Kong.
Distance too great to dissuade these lost young women from the grips of Monty Gold's temptation.
Looks like you plan on saving a lot of souls.
Women like this?
Oh.
Muhammad
This
Ali.
is a small museum, you know?
This is your own museum.
This is my personal place. Yeah. This is a small museum. A lot of culture, a lot of history, a lot of artifacts.
Hey, I'm back to call the cops. Get him out of here. You'll never work for me, pal.
I'll put on this clip and show you something.
Peter
I'll
Tosh.
show you something.
Okay.
Hey, take the preacher some food, will you? Fine. We'll enough fun with this. All right, let's quit playing games. What is it you want to know? Fort Lauderdale. Lauderdale. Party that night. Gave some willing girls their 15 minutes of fame and headed out to Daytona for the next day's
I've lovely Jamaica back too.
Oh, yeah.
Fact is, I'm not entertaining.
Cool.
Nah, getting too old to exploit little.
Okay. So we're leaving 3rd Street now into 4th Street.
Yeah.
And I talked to some dread on 4th Street.
I don't think you're going to see any dread.
No?
So here's the home. Oh, Rocky Bro. Oh, here's the home of Alton Ellis.
Alton Ellis.
Yeah, he's the founder of Rocksteady Music.
Giant.
Yeah.
Giant.
So this is where he used to live.
Yeah? Which where? Where? Right there.
What do you mean?
Says I'm a video.
You got matching hair, don't you?
Thank you.
All right, honey. Yes, sir.
Rasta for this one, I'm like, from
Woo! Yes, sir.
Rasta for it.
Yes, sir.
Adam.
The Queen of 4th Street, Trenchtown. Alton Ellis.
Home. Here.
Immortal.
Yeah. Shocky lad.
Countryman.
Where another video?
Hi, honey. Hi, sweetheart.
Oh, yo.
4th Street. I talked to some dread on 4th Street. Or was it 5th Street? Session.
Shocky lad.
Not another version. Session. Not another version.
Where is that? I did some burn Jesus. Boy, yeah. Peter Touch was around this area here. Over by these houses where you see there. But there is golden age now. Run by some one old age, like 70, 80, where some people taking care of them. Because they are mashed down because of politics war. Yeah, so we are walking by.
Okay. We're coming in just off of 5th Street, right?
Yeah, we are on 5th Street. We are on 5th Street, nearby Rosetown.
Okay.
So we are going to 1st Street.
Back to 1st.
Oh, Lord, yeah. This is where Peter Touch used to be, but not of these houses. They just turn here into a golden age. Take care for the golden age.
By golden age, what do you mean now?
Old age like 70-year-old, 80-year-old, 90-year-old girl.
Okay.
Someone who taking care of them.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
It's not for the musicians particularly. It's just for the people.
yeah, it's a
The golden age.
Yeah.
And I'm a long ways from the golden age.
If you say so.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Nurse.
Thanks for visiting Trenchtown with me today. When you come to Kingston, I highly recommend visiting the Bob Marley Museum and the Culture Yard. You can also take a tour to Tough Gong Studios. Don't forget the museums and Port Royal, the wickedest place on earth. Welcome to check out my book and other videos. Please support your reggae musicians, and until next time, roots, baby.